So let us take another example. 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. The roots are alpha, beta and gamma. You're asked to find an equation whose roots are the cubes of the roots of this equation. Again, this is a very standard question on transformation of roots. So I want an equation whose roots are cube of the original equation. So what is the transformation that I need to do? I need to put cube root of x in the place of x, right? So 5 times x power 1 by 3 whole cube minus 3 times x power 1 by 3 whole square plus 2 times x power 1 by 3 plus 4 is equal to 0. This implies 5x minus. So let us take these two equations. So you get x power 1 by 3 as common. If you take x power 1 by 3 as common in this, so you get 3x power 1 by 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 0. 5x minus x power 1 by 3, if you take it as common, so you get 3x power 1 by 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 0. This implies x power 1 by 3 times 3x power 1 by 3 plus 2 is equal to 5x plus 4. So obviously this is not a cubic equation. You need to convert this into a cubic equation. So how can we do this? So this implies, now let us cube this equation on both sides. Let us cube this equation on both sides. So you get x times x power 1 by 3 whole cube is x times 3x power 1 by 3 plus 2 whole cube, that is 27x a cube plus b cube is 8 plus 3ab into a plus b, that is 3 into 2 into 3x power 1 by 3 times 3x power 1 by 3 plus 2 is equal to 5x plus 4 whole cube. Again, this is also of the form a plus b whole cube. So you get 125 x cube plus 64 plus 3 times 25x square times 4 plus 3 times 5x times 4 square. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this implies 27x square plus 8x plus 6 into 3, 18x times x power 1 by 3 times 3x power 1 by 3 plus 2. So this term can be replaced by 5x plus 4 is equal to 125x cube plus 25 into 4 is 100 into 3 is 300x square plus 16 is 16 into 5 is 80 into 3 is 240x plus 64. So this implies, so you get 125x cube. So you have a 300x square here. So let us see how many x squares are there. 18 into 5 is 90, right? 90 plus 27. You have 113 x squares here. So 300x square minus 113x square. 90 plus 27 is, sorry, 117x square. So 300 minus 117. So 183. So plus 183x square. And you have an x term. So how many x's are there? Here you have 40 plus 32, 72x plus 8x. You have a total of 80x here. So 240x minus 80x is 160x. And you have a constant 64. You don't have any constant here. So plus 64 is equal to 0. So again, you got a quadratic finally. So this will be the required quadratic whose roots are alpha cube, beta cube and gamma cube. Thank you.